Hey guys, welcome back. In the last tutorial, we have seen the life cycle of a bean and we have seen what is container and we are going to see the types of containers. Okay, let's start the session. Okay, if you see now, we have types of containers. So we have two types of containers. One is bean factory container and second one is the application context container. So these two containers are interfaces. Okay, and this bean factory container is the parent to the application context container. Okay, and this bean factory container is available up to Spring version 3, and the application context container is available from Spring 3 to the higher versions. Okay, so now what container you have to use to create an object of the to create an what container we have to use in our applications. Okay, so here we will use the application context container only. Why we need to use application context container? Why not the parent bean factory container? Okay, as we know that application context container is the child to the bean factory. So if you know the concept of inheritance, so whatever the properties, methods and variables, static variables available in this bean factory are coming to this application context container, right? And this application context container is also having some methods, right? So if we create an object of a bean factory container, you can access the methods and you can access the variables of a bean factory container only. If you create an object of application context container, you can access both bean factory methods and application context container methods as well. For example, here here in bean factory container we have a get bean method. Okay, so let's see. Now in the bean factory container we have a get bean method which is taking the bean name as a parameter. So this get bean method which will be used to get the bean name, get the bean name from the context XML file. And we have some other three methods as well which will be useful, which we are going to discuss in the next tutorials as well. So in the application context we have two other methods. Now now so if you create an object of the bean factory container, how many methods you can access? Four methods you can access, including this get bean. If you create an object of application context container, 2 plus 3, 5 methods you can access totally. So it is always advantage, right? If you create an object of application context container, it is a bit advantage for us that we can access 5 methods. Okay, as this application context is also an interface, we cannot create an object of application context. So now what we have to do? So don't need to worry about that. We have some implementation classes given by the Spring community. So we will use the Spring implementation classes and we'll create an object of the container. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll discuss more things. We'll create an object of the container in the next coming session. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye.